What you doing, Self?
Cutting in his hair. Now I need X. I need Y. Found it. That was easiest. There.
Okay.
You want to trim my eyebrows?
Yeah, trim his eyebrows.
Now the hair.
You said it earlier. What are you doing now?
You're doing a great job with
Now
that,
I'm
Sophie.
brushing his hair.
Oh, you know you're brushing it?
Baby A ran away. We can't find the U.
What is that?
There it is.
I saw that one. It works. You got a boo-boo inside your head.
I know it.
Why?
It hurts. I think you cut it with the scissors.
I didn't.
I think.
That scissors aren't real. They were just
What kind of style do you call this?
I call this the hair salon.
The hair salon? What kind of style are you cutting my hair?
Stylish. Like handsome.
Like handsome.
After we find the V,
You done?
you still need it.
What's next?
Go ahead.
What's next, Sophie?
Which one?
That one.
It's strawberry.
What do we do next?
It's you.
Oh, you're doing my face now.
Now the T.
Did I get any?
And now we need
Get my eyes?
Now which color?
That one.
S. Now we need the S.
Donald Driver again.
Now we need the R. Now it's cut.
That one.
What's next?
Chapstick? What flavor is this?
This is.
Pina colada?
Nope. It is strawberry.
I don't like strawberry.
You don't put your pink strawberry on the colors. A, B, C. Yeah, it'll fit. I
Is
see.
that
No.
good?
See, told you. Like this. Oh, I think I have this one.
Man, Green Bay might as well just quit.
Is that good?
Is that everything?
We still need to. Oh.
Cologne?
No, it's perfume on you.
It's
so
cologne.
You won't stink.
Guys have cologne, girls have perfume.
This is perfume, and so you won't stink.
Alright.
It's right in front of you.
So you won't stink?
Is that good? Is that where you took perfume?
Yeah.
Am I done?